Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Let's Talk in English.
Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're here today.
I'm Lucas.
And I'm Sarah.
On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English through simple conversations.
Yes, we talk about daily life topics to help you feel more confident speaking English.
Today's topic is very important and very common.
Yes, today we are going to talk about money.
Money is something we all use every day.
And we often need to talk about money in English, at work, at the shop, or with friends.
Before we start, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
It really helps us and supports free English learning.
Okay, let's get started.
Lucas, let me start with a simple question.
Okay,
What is money?
that's a good question. Money is something we use to buy things.
Yes, we use money to pay for food, clothes, rent, and transportation.
Money can be cash, like coins and paper bills.
Or digital, like money in your bank account or on your phone.
In English, we often use words like money, cash, salary, income, and expenses.
Today, we will explain these words in simple English.
Let's talk about income.
Income means the money you receive.
For example, money from your job.
Yes, if you work, your income is usually your salary or wages.
Salary is money you get every month.
Wages are money you get by the hour or by the day.
For example, I can say, my income comes from my job.
Or I earn money by teaching English.
The verb earn is very important.
Yes, we earn money. We don't say win money for a job.
Sarah, can I ask you something?
Sure.
I can say, my salary comes from my job, right?
That is correct. You can also say, I get a salary.
Thanks. Do you think salary is important when choosing a job?
Yes, salary is important, but it's not everything.
I agree. A good salary helps us pay our bills.
But job happiness is also important.
That's true. In English, we can say, I am happy with my salary. Or, I want a higher salary.
We can also say, my salary is enough, or my salary is not enough. Now let's talk about expenses.
Expenses are the money we spend.
Yes, rent, food, transport, phone bills, these are expenses.
For example, my monthly expenses are very high.
Or, I try to control my expenses.
Control means manage or limit.
That's a very useful word.
Sarah, do you like to save money?
Yes, I try to save money every month.
Saving money means keeping money for the future.
For emergencies, travel, or big goals.
For example, I save money for my future.
Or, I put money in my savings account.
Savings account is a bank account for saving money.
Some people like to save money.
And some people like to spend money.
Spending money means using money to buy things.
For example, I spend money on food and rent.
Or, I spend too much money on clothes.
Too much means more than necessary.
Let's talk about a very useful word, budget.
A budget is a plan for your money.
It helps you know how much you earn and how much you spend.
For example, I make a monthly budget.
Or, my budget helps me save money.
Having a budget is a good habit.
Most people use a bank.
Yes, we keep money in a bank account.
We can pay with cash, card, or phone.
In English, we say, I pay by card. I pay in cash.
Or, I transfer money online.
Sometimes, money can cause stress.
Yes, many people worry about money.
For example, I don't have enough money.
Or, I'm worried about my expenses.
Talking about money can be difficult.
But learning the words helps.
Let's explain two important words, borrow and lend.
Borrow means you take money from someone.
Lend means you give money to someone.
For example, I borrow money from my friend.
Or, I lend money to my brother.
This is very important to remember.
When we shop, we talk about prices.
Price means how much something costs.
For example, this shirt is expensive.
Or, this phone is cheap.
Expensive means high price. Cheap means low price.
Let's learn one simple expression.
Okay,
Save for a rainy day.
it means save money for difficult times.
Not real rain, life problems.
Sarah, what is your daily money habit?
I check my expenses and avoid unnecessary spending.
That's a good habit.
What about you?
I try to save a little money every month.
Now it's time for today's question.
Are you ready?
Here is the question.
Both. What do you usually spend money on? Food? Rent? Transport? Entertainment?
Write a simple sentence in the comments.
For example, I usually spend money on food and transport.
Don't worry about mistakes. Practice is important.
Today, we talked about money.
We learned words like income, salary, expenses, budget, save, and spend.
We practiced simple sentences for daily life.
Talking about money is an important life skill.
Thank you so much for watching.
We hope this video helped you feel more confident.
Please like, share, and subscribe to Let's Talk in English.
We upload new English conversations regularly.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing.
See you in the next video. Goodbye.